This is our program in Robot C. We will be covering each line in greater detail to explain what each line does. The first thing is the line task main. This tells what the main task will be. Then there is a bracket. Next is a line that tells the robot to wait 3 seconds. This is so that the robot does not run off right away. This next line says motor left motor equals 63. This is telling the left motor to go at half power, which is 63. The same thing applies to the right motor. It also goes forward at half power. It is going to continue on like this for 4 seconds. This next line is telling the left motor to go to 0, which means that the left motor stops. The same thing is happening to the right motor, as it also equals 0. It will stay like this, stopped, for 1 second. Next, the line is telling the left motor to go at negative 63, meaning that the left motor is now traveling backwards. The same thing applies to the right motor, which is also going backwards at negative 63, which is half power. This will continue for 4 seconds. This next line is telling the left motor to go to 0, which means that the left motor stops. The same thing is happening to the right motor, as it also equals 0. It will stay like this, stopped, for 1 second. Next, we need to make the robot turn. We can do this by making the left motor go backwards at half power and the right motor go forwards at half power. It will continue like this for 0.94 seconds, which is a 90-degree turn. This next line is telling the left motor to go to 0, which means that the left motor stops. The same thing is happening to the right motor, as it also equals 0. It will stay like this, stopped, for 1 second. Next, to make the motor turn right, we need to make the left motor go forward at half power and the right motor go backwards at half power. This will make it turn right. It continues like this for 1.88 seconds, or enough to turn 180 degrees. Finally, the robot stops for the last time. As the left motor equals 0 and the right motor equals 0, it will stay stopped for 1 second and then be done with the program. We also have a video of our robot completing this program following this slide.